Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Philips 1000 series wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might need to do this hard reset if the earbuds will not connect to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear. Any kind of connection or functionality issues, troubleshooting issues can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to repair them with a device because the Bluetooth will be reset on them. But if you're okay to do this, we can go ahead and get started. All you need to do is, first of all, you want to, whatever device you had them paired to, you want to go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on that and tell them to forget these earbuds. Once that happens, you can put the earbuds in the case, make sure the case is on, and the earbuds should blink. Now you're going to come in with both of the earbuds in the case. You're going to press on the multi-purpose button on the back of each earbud simultaneously for about 4 seconds. We're just going to press and hold until each earbud both blinks white. The LED on the light on each earbud blinks white twice. At that point, the earbuds will be reset. You can take them out of their case and repair them as a new device.